How to remove continue watching on Disney Plus. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove continue watching on your Disney Plus app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Disney Plus app. And then once you're on your Disney Plus app, here you will see continue watching. Now there are two methods to remove them. The first method is you have to tap on these three little dots and then tap on remove from continue watching. Now if you want to remove all of them at once, you have to tap on continue watching and then tap on this pencil icon here in the top right corner and then select what you want to remove, and after selecting, tap on delete in the top right corner here, and all of them will be removed at once. And so this is how you can remove continue watching on your Disney Plus app. Thanks for watching.